Do you want to increase your bust size even though you are ready to go under knife for surgery to increase your bust size? What is your good reason to increase your bust size? Do you want to increase your bust size to get attention from opposite sex? Then stop. Let me share a true story. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rifat and I will divide this video into two parts. First part, I will be sharing the true story behind how I increase my breast size and how you can increase your bust size. And this story has a profound influence on my emotional and physical being, and I believe it will help many other people out there who are in the same position. I have done previous video on this topic, how to increase your bust size, how I enlarge my breast size. I will add the link above so you can go and watch the video as well. So I've been asked many questions regarding this topic, so I thought I will give you some more detail. And as you know, I am a scientist as well, so always whatever I eat and exercises and whatever I do, my scientific brain is working at the same time as well. So I will give you some scientific background as well. So let's dive into our video. Let me ask you first, what is a reason for you to increase your bust size? If your reason is that you want to get attention from the boys, or you want to attract a nice partner, and you are doing it for basically for the opposite sex, then this is not a good reason to increase your bust size. And if you do so, then you will be attracting only that type of man, that type of boys in your life. They are only attracted in the physical aspect of you. As law of attraction state, where your energy goes, where your attention goes, your energy goes. So where you put your focus on, it will increase. So you if you are doing it for that reason, then please stop and don't do it. Only do it if you want to increase your femininity, or if you want to look more feminine, and when you wear dress you want to look nice and feminine. If you have a healthy good reason, then do so. So let me share my story first, and I think this story has profound effect physically and emotionally on me, and I believe that will help you as well. So it was this story basically is from back in 2015 15 to 16. I was working in one of a pathology lab, and I had a good group of colleagues, and most of my friends, they had like a good figure and they look more feminine. So when we go out together, then I was quite slim and very flat looking. I had like a bust size about 32C, I think, 32ish, so cup size. So I wanted to look more feminine, and like my other colleagues, they look very feminine and they wear certain dresses and they look nice. So I wanted to do that as well, and I was quite slim, and even though I have two children, so I wanted to look more feminine. So I kept comparing myself with other friends, and I wanted to look like them basically. And more, whenever I wear dresses, I want to look more feminine. So I was very slim. So that was my basically reason to increase my bust size. So first thing I will suggest you, if you are slim and not enough weight, so I will suggest you to think strategies or to speak to your doctor to increase your weight. Increase weight I does not mean that you become obese and unhealthy. Like gain some weight, eat some sort of food that help you to gain weight. Like I used to eat bananas and do certain exercises, and basically I like to eat more food so I can put on some weight, but it was not really working, because at the same time I was stressing myself as well, because it is not working, my focus is not working. Then what happened, one of my friend, unfortunately, she diagnosed with a breast cancer, and she was a really good friend of mine, and we was really sad to hear this news. But that my friend, she was really brave lady, and she fight that disease very well and with all confidence and with full patience. So the doctor suggested her to do mastectomy, and I heard the name, and we, because of work in a lab, so I know the what mastectomy is. But now, and that was my friend, she was working with me when she has her breast removed, and when she came to work, and that was really devastating. So that was like she was wearing a bra, and on one side, sorry, the story is very like emotional and always make me emotional when I think about it. So she was basically wearing a bra, and one side she was having a filling, and she has a like a confident smile on her face. She was very happy, and she told us, we was all like a sad and like a not very happy for her, and we were sad for her basically. But she has a nice lovely smile on her face, and she say, oh, I am absolutely fine, and she always encourages us to be happy. So what happened, like she daily come in a lab, and when I see her, that was like a devastating experience for me. When I go home, and when I change my clothes, from that day, when I stand in front of mirror, I was standing like this, and I was hugging myself, and I was saying, thank you God, thank you for giving me each and every part healthy and alive. I was only grateful because I have everything completed. At least I have both of my breasts, and no matter how small are they, I do not care. I am so grateful. I am so grateful that I have each and everything healthy and alive. So from that day, when I change clothes, I stand in front of mirror from head to toe. I mention each and every part, and I say, thank you for my healthy brain, thank you for my hair, thank you for my eyes, thank you for my nose, thank you for my lips, thank you for my face, thank you how I look, thank you for my breast, thank you for my belly, thank you for my healthy shoulder, whatever I can think. So day and night I was doing it, because I was picturing my friend in my mind, and I will praying for her as well. And I was at the same time, I was feeling grateful for myself as well. So that story from that day, and after every day, I was so grateful for each and every part that we have. Most of us, we are not grateful whatever we've been given, and we only realize when we miss something, when we miss that part of our body. So that was example in front of me, and when I watch her, and then and she has a lovely smile on her face, she has no complaint after all that as well. And then I thought, oh my God, I am complaining just because my bust size is small, that's why I'm complaining. So I must stop. And from that day, as I mentioned you, I stand in front of mirror whenever I change my clothes, at night before going to bed, in the morning before going to work. When I change clothes, I stand in front of mirror and say thanks to each and every part of body. And then after, I think 2 months, I was doing all these things, and I totally forgotten about the bust size. I was doing it only for the sake of being thankful to God. And I have no attachments or outcome attached to my reason basically. So I was doing it just for the sake of being grateful. So after 2 months, then I feel like an inspired action, I felt like I was checking my wardrobe, and I thought I should go for a different bra size. This is not really fit me, and I will buy something better. So I didn't even think about it that my bust size is increasing. All I was just being grateful in front of mirror. That's what I was doing. And then when I go in for a bra changing, there are some services, they tell you the correct bust size. So she took a measurement and she told me that the bra size you're wearing, 32C and D, I'm not sure now, I mentioned in my previous video, that is not your correct size, and you should wear a bigger size. And then she suggested me 34D breast size, cup size I'm wearing. So that is perfectly fit for me, and I'm still wearing that size, and I think that is good for my body size. And then other people started noticing, my man started noticing, my friends, oh, you look quite feminine nowadays, and I think your boob size increased. And I was getting compliments. Then I realized, oh yes, that is happening. And then I was thinking back what I was doing. So that's why I shared that video as well, and many people was asking me what else you was doing. So that was the first main reason for this video. Then I will share you the background story that what happened, and that is a biggest story behind my bust measurement and that cup size increase. I was grateful, but however at the same time I had a desire. I didn't let go or desire. However, I totally forgot about that desire, and I was only grateful for whatever I have got. I totally accepted whatever I have got. So let's go to part 2, where I will share tips and exercises how you can increase your bust size.